Sanimukela babukeli emakhaya to Eswatini Mobile Live Show. Namhla ngulesihlanu kuhamba iPhone 16 Pro Max yekuqala nga of the 6 that we will be giving away. My name is Nosipho Xaba. Angihambi ngedwa e-studio ngihamba naNcamiso Mhlanga.
Thank you, Nosipho. Sinvusele babukele emakhaya. It is indeed our first live joy iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm so excited. I'm calling show. Are you as excited as I am?
Yebo, I am super excited. Le competition Ncamiso si launch na kuqala April. Sa communicate nama customers sa yephephen sa social media. Sa ngato tonke tindlela sabasendela ema SMS kuthi Eswatini Mobile ohambisa 6 wema iPhone 16 Pro Max. And the color yayo, oh Ncamiso, it is so luxurious. And guys, Eswatini Mobile ubeka kulesinye standard right now. Uthi wherever you are playing too low. Come up. And that is what we are doing. So njengoba ngishito ukuthi siqale April, iyahamba iya ku June 2025. So each month Ncamiso khamba linye, right?
Of course.
Awubatshela Ncamiso ngizabayita imnanzi ngama T's and C's ale competition.
My T's and C's of this promotion, alula kabi. These are things that we go through daily. Ngikhuluma nje register iSIM card yakho, uyathi kumele uyiregister ngamatise wakho, which is your ID ne proof of residence yakho, bese uba fully registered. And of course, to enter the iPhone 16 live a promotion, you need to make sure ukuthi you're above the age of 18, Nosipho. And then bese so uyadisebenzisela ke 10 GB wakho. And I know ukuthi these are things that you do because niyawathenga ama no frills every month. The homework bundle ihlale kumbimba yona kuthengwa yona every month, so you stand a chance of winning this cool iPhone.
Yes, beautiful news indeed, my customer. Eswatini Mobile, thank you so much for supporting this network. Network yamaswati, the Siyabangena network. Siyabonga kakhulu ngemaswati. Leli cingo leli, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Le color yayo bathi it's night titanium.
Yes.
Oh, such a luxurious name. Also space sayo ngo 512 gigabytes. So you will have enough space to store your pictures, your videos. If you are somebody who travels, you'll be able to store whatever your moments, your memories that you'll be experiencing in your at your trips, or also if we influencer, utokona we that thing, man. And I hope ukuthi vele labamvu labakule pool bamvu labalifunako leli cingo ngabe sekuba disappointing Ncamiso momfa wena leli cingo bese uyalidayisa. I mean,
but what I know for sure is ukuthi sonke sesabanga ema influencer, we all now like taking content.
Yes.
So kumnanzi ngoba phela iPhone 16 Pro Max yethu inabo recording in 4K lokushothi nje umuntu utawuvela a crisp amuhle ku iPhone 16 yakhe. So please nangabe uyaqala kuva ngayo nje promotion, gijima uyothenga nje homework bundle angisho njalo, because yona itana 100 GB. Utokhona ukuthi njumela nje usebenzisa idatha yakho and use 10 GB or more.
Yes. And also kunikhumbuta ke makhasimende ku iPhone 16 Pro Max baya qualify ba pay as you go, baya qualify ba postpaid. The only pool lenga qualify ngumuntu lo hotspotela labanye kuthi u hotspotela letiyeti nombolo. It has to be your primary number leli qualifier for le iPhone 16 Pro Max. And like Ashito Ncamiso guthi, this number has to be under your name. It must be fully registered. And we are happy to tell my customer Ncamiso guthi, if inombolo yakho wayithengelwa ngumakwakho, isingani sakho, umalume, you are able to do what we call change of ownership in any of our ECs. So our agents will be happy to assist you through the change of ownership process. It is so simple. You just bring your ID. You come with the person le nombolo lebita yena currently, and then bese ninda ke a change of ownership. It is that simple. And trust me, I see when my customer we just follow the process, succeed inombolo ibiye so that utokhona go qualify. Because another thing leba buhlungu uthi Ncamiso sesiyamshayela umomvu sithi ke uwinile sikhanze ukuthi akusiyo Dwang, dwang, dwang. We do not want those cases. So, Ncami, so let's just go through a few comments laba khona lapha ku Facebook. Excited that Sina, Butani and all of that. What question pops up in mind, nje bebasin?
People were actually very excited, but I'd also like to gcwalisa ke nekuthi ke nangabe ungumflo osebenzisa i-Home Phone Plus package kanye ke ne-Home Fixed Wireless package, unfortunately wena awuqualify, but ngiyathi unayo i-prepaid number yakho longakhona qualify nayo, and you do have a max value contract lotawuqualify ngayo, idatha vele siyayisebenzisa. Kunebantu vele lapha bangabelieve ke noSipho ukuthi leli cingo likhona mbamba. They've been asking and nali ngiliphethe li-sealed babukele emakhaya lokusho ukuthi utawuthi cacabulela wena. Wena nje na wawina i-iPhone 16 Pro Max. What's the first thing you think you'd do?
Definitely, is to take tons of pictures of myself. I'm joking. Me, you know, if I were to win this phone, tomorrow I'll be on a flight going to London, going to Paris.
Okay.
Just to take the Eiffel Tower from by this phone. Angidlali ke mina nging that goal nje, because I understand that lelincingo leli akusile content le nang. But ke moving on, just Ncamiso, nyalo ke na sitawuthatha a short break. Nasibuya sekunjalo liyahamba licingo. So call everyone who has been excited about this competition, because when we come back,
Welcome back from the break, Babugele Makaya. You are still live with Eswatini Mobile for the iPhone 16 Pro Max giveaway. Are you ready to give the phone away, Nosipho?
I am so super ready. And Ncamiso, just to remind my customer of the iPhone 16 Pro Max specs phela. Sikhumbule ukuthi sishito ukuthi ke leli cingo leli lisetulu ngebuchwephesha. Linayo ke na okay, angicale ngale screen sayo. 6.7 inches. Lokusho ukuthi ke nalikhulu lelicingo njengoba Ncamiso aliphethe likhulu, ubona kahle konke, nelama colors akhona are rich, and also these phones, they come with the latest iOS operating systems. Lokusho ukuthi ke na security yakhona, it's updated, you are free from bugs, and also user experience yakho mulese improvile.
Of course.
Ncamiso. So there's so many other features that this phone comes with. Ngibonile Ncamiso ukuthi also line ceramic shield. So leli cingo na uluwisa leli akusile leli cingo leli scratchako nomani li bounce libuye libe live likhona ukuqhubeka nempilo libambe simo. So those are the beautiful features that the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with. Ncamiso, let's go through the draw. Tell them how many of the customers qualify.
I'm so excited to yell out this number because kusho kona ukuthi babukele emakhaya nema supporters akhe Eswatini Mobile actually do the things that need to be done for the pots to be done. I don't know if I said that correctly, but I hope again now you are as excited as I am, because kuna 109,000 subscribers who have joined in or who qualified for le draw yethu yekuwina i-iPhone 16 Pro Max. Lana sikhuluma nabo Siri like my iPhone 16 Pro Max, so I'm ready to give it away. Ngifise kuthola nje ne drum roll. Let's find our first winner. Let's go.
Who will be the first winner? We are excited to find out who is it going to be. Yeah. Yeah. And then there we have our first winner, Ngami. So I am going to call out to the number on the screen. It is 798851114. That is our first winner of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. 798851114. Congratulations. Wena ke ungileli customer leliwinile lelitawu enjoya lama features lencetha kuwasho iPhone 16 Pro Max. Also lengikushile lelicingo leli li 5G capable. Lokusho ukuthi now between the corridor of Manzini and Matapa wena uto experience ama speeds are 5G. That is the premium experience that 5G brings. Ngami, so
This is so exciting. Congratulations to our winner. I hope ngumflo deserve ako because leli cingo linesindvo solo siyalikhulumela le. And umflo yadi ke i-value yalo leli cingo is over 30,000 emalangeni. So cabanga nje wena nangabe bowudithengele ke i-no frills yakho maybe gang4 kule month of April watikhanza usebenzise more than 10 GB nyalo so tihambela nesimatla sa over 30,000 emalangeni. This should actually even encourage babukele emakhaya to use ema-SIM cards and ungayithengi nje SIM card yakho uyifake phasi kwamatrasi nosipho.
Ayihlale ecingweni. So we are very excited for the first winner. Like sishito ukuthi ke na, this is just the first of the 6 iPhone 16 Pro Max lesiwahambisako. So we will catch you live again nasasihambisa ema winners lang to grab the red trolley promotion because thine sihlezi sinetindzaba letimnanzi Ncami. So but for now, bye.